Oh, hey everybody. Austin Carnes here, Walnut Ridge Family RV in Newcastle, Indiana. Want to let you know, this Saturday, we are having an open house at our 66-acre dealership here, Walnut Ridge. We have a 22,000 square foot indoor facility that, you know, if it's a little bit chilly, you can come hang out. But we have a couple of exclusive things. We have 2 Montanas that we debuted to the entire nation. No one else has these. We do. So come out and check them out. And we have some other cool stuff like this 316 RLS that we're in. So this is a Cougar, and let's check it out. One thing I want to point out, you have this nice hidden storage here. You also have a plug for if you want to do, like your cordless vac, anything like that. You can also hang up some jackets in there. As you can see, I was cleaning my paws in the sink there. We have nice Furrion residential size appliances here. You also have your couch that pulls out into a bed. You have your nice captain chairs across from your entertainment center. Also have your dinette. Oh yeah, solid surface. Coming up in here into your bathroom. Wow, look at that legroom. And also, you come up into the shower, you also have a nice little skylight, you know, whenever you're washing your hair, you know, getting all that nappy head off. Huge mirror here. And coming into the bedroom, you have your beautiful bed here. Tons of hanging space. I always love this. This is a little light on your hanging rack. Who does that? In here, lots of other storage. Washer dryer prep. This unit has the possibility of having 3 ACs in it, but you already have one in your bedroom and in the back. Let's go outside and give it a look. Oh yeah, and I forgot. It's the Midnight Edition. So as you can see, we have this killer paint job here. Got those nice solid steps I just walked down. They're solid. And then up under here, you see those little red brake drums right there? That is an ABS brake drum. So you don't have to worry about this thing burning rubber whenever you're trying to lock up, not hitting the squirrel. So as we look on the outside, you have these cool blue underlit power awnings, as well as your outdoor speakers. Gorgeous frameless windows here. You know, as we kind of walk back in here, you have your huge mother-in-law suite hanging out here, or capacity storage. Hey, come out and see us over at Walnut Ridge in Newcastle, Indiana. We're going to have our open house. Remember, we got some great things. We got our 22,000 square foot indoor facility. I had to mention this at the end. We got food, we got drink. Come out and see us.